give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We're also selling merch. It's holidays.
Thanks, Giovanna. So today we're going to be doing a tri-tip out on the Memphis. We're going to smoke it. So I got about a 3.5 pound tri-tip here. What we're going to do is I'm going to take off all the silver skin. You can see the silver skin's on here. I'm going to trim this up. I'm going to get this fat out of here, right? I'm going to make it really lean on this tri-tip. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to season it with, and you can use any of your favorite steak seasonings. So I'm going to season it, and then I'm going to put some fresh crushed pepper over the top, cracked pepper, to give it a nice good bark. So we're going to smoke this at 200 degrees on the Memphis. And today we're going to be using some apple and hickory mix. We're going to get the inside temperature to about 130, and then we're going to just reverse sear it. And we'll get the Memphis up to about 400 degrees, and then we'll sear it. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and start trimming this, G. Just like this. I'm going to get all the fat off of here. See this little silver skin here? We want to get that off of there. Okay?
Because we don't really like that.
No, this is the silver skin. We don't want that. So now we got it trimmed up.
Yep.
Our tri-tip. So I'm just gonna take this tri-tip and get this presentation side. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put our steak seasoning on. And I'm gonna let this sit for, I don't know, about 30 minutes. Get it all seasoned in here. Get the meat to room temperature. If you just take it out, you wanna make sure that you're cooking your meat at the room temperature. So just a little steak sauce on it, or steak seasoning, sorry.
It already looks good.
Okay, like that. I'm gonna flip it over. And we get both sides with our steak seasoning. Okay, like that.
Wow.
Okay. Then I will, can never have enough pepper.
Yes, you can have enough pepper.
Yeah.
You're a spicy man. You like spice.
This is gonna give us our nice crust on the outside of our steaks when we go to cut
What
it.
makes it crusty?
Exactly.
Like the brisket.
Exactly.
No, I get it.
See, now you understand. I'll get it. Don't worry. Just get some nice good cracked pepper on here.
That's a nice piece.
Flip it over. This is the presentation side. So this is the really, see how this is
You need to get it good.
see how this side is nice and clean?
Yeah.
This is what the
presentation
side. So when we cut it and we put it all on the,
Got it.
and we
That's why
present
they
it.
call it a presentation slide.
Yeah.
I already smell a lot of pepper.
A lot of pepper. Yeah.
Cheese. A lot of seasoning.
You like it when I make it.
Yeah.
So,
At the end, it's pretty dang good.
yeah. So, all right. So there we go. So now we got it, our steak seasoning on our tri-tip, and we're gonna let it rest now. Now that we push this seasoning in, we're gonna use our meat thermometer on the Memphis, and we're gonna put this right in here. And when that says 130, then we're gonna use our instant temperature, our instant meat thermometer from List Me. I'll put a link to this out on Amazon. You can get it pretty cheap, and it's a really good meat thermometer. So there we go. So let's let this rest and let's go get the Memphis fired up.
Got it.
Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay, here we go. All right, so we got the Memphis going. We're gonna put our tri-tip right over the smoke box. Here, I'm putting a little extra smoke on it. So I'm gonna put this on here. Put this through. We get our probe going. Okay. Just like so. Plug in our probe. Okay, so now we're gonna let this smoke until it gets about 130 inside temperature. All right, now we got our meat at our 130 temperature inside. So we're gonna change this and we're gonna start the reverse sear. All right, the grill's up to 400. I'm throwing it on here. This is our tri-tip. I'm gonna sear it now on the presentation side first, about 2 minutes, and then I'll flip it and turn it for another 2 minutes.